In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Python fast with ChatGPT. Let's dive in, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Google. Once the Google homepage loads, you'll want to type ChatGPT into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up results related to ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that we'll be using to help accelerate your Python learning journey. Next, scan through the search results and click on the ChatGPT website link. It should be one of the top listed results. Navigating to the ChatGPT website, you'll find yourself on a platform that's going to be instrumental in breaking down complex Python concepts into manageable pieces that you can quickly grasp. Now you're on the ChatGPT site, it's time to formulate your first prompt. In the input field, try typing something like this. I want to learn Python quickly to build a simple web scraper, automate Excel tasks, or analyze data. What are the core topics I must master? Once you've crafted your question, click the Submit button. After submitting your prompt, ChatGPT will generate a response outlining the key Python topics you should focus on. These topics might include fundamental concepts like variables, loops, functions, and libraries, crucial for the tasks you've mentioned. This tailored guidance can make all the difference in how efficiently you learn Python, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. To take your learning further, you'll want some hands-on practice. Go ahead and type another prompt into ChatGPT, asking for mini project suggestions. For instance, you could write, "Provide mini projects to practice." This will prompt ChatGPT to suggest practical exercises that are aligned with the skills you need to develop. These projects give you a chance to apply the theoretical knowledge you've gathered, reinforcing your learning through real-world application. Once more, hit the Submit button. What's great here is that you're not just getting a set of instructions, you're also getting a wealth of guidance contextualized for your specific learning objectives. ChatGPT may offer you project ideas like building a basic calculator app, automating simple spreadsheets, or creating scripts to scrape web data, all exercises that can swiftly enhance your proficiency in Python. And there you have it. Utilizing ChatGPT in this way can significantly speed up your Python learning process, guiding you through essential concepts and practical projects. This approach not only saves time, but also ensures that you're learning in a structured, strategic manner, tailored to your personal goals. I hope this provides a clear pathway to accelerate your journey into Python programming. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding!